Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. All depends on the time you're watching right now. Honestly, my name is Sunju Ghost and Something. I educate people on something they did with your phone. Let me just say how to do a lot of things on your phone. That's what I did on YouTube. So, and if you like this channel, I will advise you to subscribe and hit the subscription button. Without wasting more of our time, as I was saying earlier, Opay give a lot just as the way other banks give. You can see it here, Opay. You can see that there's a lot they give when someone just sends something. You will see sends money. When I mean something, you know now. So you will be getting a lot the way other bank has given them. I would like us to jump in into that Opay right now, so that you will not be bored about my video. That is Opay. So once you click that Opay app, it will travel you to their app. Yes, you will see the inside of the app. Yes, this is the inside. So you have seen that the bonus they give us. So you have seen um home, reward, finance, card, and me. Yes, you will just click on that card. Sorry, you click on me. Yes, you click on me. Once you click on me, you will look above this. That is after the picture, look on the other side. You will see setting sign, that setting button. Click on that setting button. Come down, you will see SMS alert subscription. You click that SMS alert. Then you pick, you tap on the four side of that thing, or the four side of those button. After you fill it, I have already set my, so no need for that again. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.